Hi guys, good morning. We are now here in Anda, Pangasinan. So this is the town of Anda, and this is the Presidensya Anda. And we are heading now to Karot. Hey guys, we are now here in Barangay Karot Cemetery. So we are here. Dito nakahimlay ang aking kapatid, bunsong lalaki. So my youngest brother, ex-Pidico Putaslap Jr. August 3, 1990 and April 26, 1996. He was 5 years old. He had cancer in the stomach. And in here is my Don Andronico Castillo, July 4, 1922 and September 14, 2005. Okay guys, so it's now 9 AM in the morning and we are now going to we are now heading to Tondol, to the Tondol beach here in Anda, Pangasinan. Okay, so my face is very oily now. It's because of the lack of sleep. Okay, later. Okay, so we are now leaving the cemetery and we're heading to Barangay Tondol. Now we are now here in Barangay Karot, and my barangay where I grew up is in Kabungan, just beside this Barangay Karot. Okay, later. Hey guys, we had a stopover here in Imbo, Anda, Pangasinan. Another cemetery where my uncle Andronico Castillo Jr. was buried. Okay. So here is where he lies. So we're heading now to Barangay Tondol, where the Tondol White Sand Beach is. I hope it's still white. I hope the sand is still white, because it wouldn't be called White Sand Beach if it is. Okay, so let's go. Bye. So guys, we've arrived here in Tondol, Pangasinan, and unfortunately it's low tide, but if you want to go swimming you can just walk a little bit. This is Tondol, and if it's high tide it would be much nicer. As you can see, the sand is white, and in there is the public cottages. There, so you can see those cottages there, and the pantalan, and back of the pantalan are the cottages by the government. And there is the Kabungan. There is where I grew up, the Kabungan and the Pangasinan. And the island that you can see over there is the Kangaluyan Island. And over here is the Tandoyong Island. I saw Pina Morales there once when I was still a kid, together with her husband and Shaina Magdayaw.
Despacito. Ano naman yan? Paano yung wala na kaya ako?
Hey guys, so this is the end of our travel today. And once again, this is Tondol and the Pangasinan, the white sand beach here, and also my hometown, but not our barangay. Our barangay is over there. This is it. This is the Tondol and the Pangasinan. Bye bye now, and see you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, dito masawanin sa public parks in Tondol Beach. City pantalan ng Tondol Beach. Mas kulpintawat dito, mas mamuta cottage tan mas mamuta entrance fee. Ito kami ibat noon, bandat tao.
Undercut yung pangit.
Sorry na ako kami dito mo, tara meron pa picture ito ah.
Grabe naman yan, hindi ikaw lalantin.
Okay, picture ako sa repo.
Mamaya na nga.
Okay guys, sagawin kami na po. Matibula man na.
Ulinaw.
Okay. So, kita kits next time.
Kita kids.
Sagawin kami na rin tagupan sa yan. Okay.
Iya.
Bumagsak iya. Ha?
Limango niya.
Sige. Sumunod na natin.